Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add groups in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add groups in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to open notion.so and log into your account, which of course I have done right here. Then navigate to or create a database. And how do you do that? Go ahead and click on an existing page or create a new page where you want to have the database on. Head over here and click on create a new page to create a new page, or head over here to private where you have your existing page and select an existing page. Right here, mine is to do and my page is open. Head over to a fresh line, which I have done right here. Oh, of course, which I have definitely done right. So head over to an empty space or a fresh space. And the next thing you're going to have to do is to click on the backward slash punctuation, which we have here, and click on database. So you can definitely select database inline, which is to add a new inline database to this page, or you can select database full page. That's to add a new database as a sub page. So I'm just going to click on database inline. If you're not already in the broad view, you can go ahead and switch or create one. So here we have table. Go ahead and click on this plus icon and select bird from the list. And now you have the broad view already created. Now you can go ahead and name this view and set any additional options as needed. So this, let's say, edit tags will be the name of this board view. And yes, we're good to go. Now in the board view, columns are created based on a select or multi-select property, which could also include status, category, priority, however they are. And if you don't have a property set up for grouping, you need to create one. So go ahead and click on the edit option. All right, or you can click on the three dots menu that is here and go ahead and select edit property if you want to edit property. And you can see this is the property is set to tag. So go ahead and click on tags, or you can just go ahead and select an option or to create a tag if you want to. But this is just really set to tag. So go ahead and click on the pencil icon and open in the sidepick. And once you open in the sidepick, you can head over to tags in here and click on edit property and change the tag option. You can use this is multi-select already. And then we have manual and we have autofill if you want to do autofill. But here we have tags. Maybe you can change it to checklist if you want to. And that is like pretty much no checklist. But if you want to add checklist, you can go ahead and add the checklist, or you can even change the property type. Okay. You can change the property type to select, just whatever you want to do that. Then you can go ahead and add a property. So this is add a property button in here. Now let's go ahead and add a property. So this could be priority level as my property. And that's it. So you can just go ahead and keep on clicking on add a property to add more properties to this page and click out. All right, for you to just exit that space. Now once you have the property set up, okay, Notion will automatically create columns just like you have here based on the options you defined. Okay, so now that you have your board based on the options that you have defined, right here I have my properties. You can go ahead and edit these and add more properties if you want to. The next thing to do is to add a new group or a column. And how do you do that? Just click on the add a group button. You should look at it at the far right of the existing column, which is here. So once you click on that, you have this new group. So go ahead, and once you do that, add a new option to the select or multi-select property to automatically create a new column. So this group could be for editors. Go ahead and click on done. And now you have for editors and you have done. So under it, you can go ahead and add more options. You can go ahead and add tags. You can go ahead and add options. Just go ahead and select type a name, edit the name, and open in slide peek and make changes for this by selecting add a property or even deleting this existing one. And just go ahead and keep on customizing. Click on the plus icon to add more groups if you want to. So to rearrange the columns, hover over to the column header and drag it to your desired position. So this could be the first, and just do that, and you can now add items to each group by clicking on the new page at the bottom of a column, or you can go ahead and drag an existing item from one column to another to just change your grouping. And you can customize group settings by clicking the three dots ellipses next to the column header and adjusting options like sorting, filtering, or changing the column name. And that's it. You've successfully added and configure groups in Notion. I can go over tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.